So, nangyari na ba sa inyo na sabay-sabay nangyari yung mga unfortunate events na hindi nyo ine-expect? And I'm not talking about yung mga big unfortunate events like death or loss of a job. Ito yung mga minor unfortunate events. So, recently nangyari sa akin yan, no? So, ano yung mga unfortunate events na yun? Well, unang-una, ang sakit-sakit ng tiyan ko. So, napupoops na ako. Pero walang toilet kasi papunta na ako sa appointment na medyo late na ako. So, kaya parang hassle, di ba? Kasi napupoops ka tapos late ka sa appointment. And then, habang nangyayari lahat yun, I realized na meron pala akong deadline na hindi pa nagagawa na dapat gagawin ko that day. And, to top it all off, meron akong naging problema sa password sa bank account ko, which is then connected to my GCash account. So, in short, ang dami-daming nangyayari in that span of hour. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko, meron akong password issues, meron akong deadline, at late na ako sa meeting ko. And at that time, it's easy to fall into the temptation of getting overwhelmed. It's easy to fall into the trap of getting annoyed, getting irritated, at tipong, alam mo yung mga magtatantrums ka at sasabihin mo, ano ba to Lord? Bakit sabay-sabay? But thankfully talaga, I was able to have this time to pray, to quiet down, and to just ask God, ano bang nangyayari? Nagpop itong verse na to sa utak ko na, come to me all you are weary and I will give you rest. And another verse that says, be still and know that I am God. And after that, parang prayer time, parang kumalma ako at napaisip ko na this is all temporary. It gave me perspective na yes, kung malate ako, edi malate. O kung di may problema ako sa password, edi reset password. Or baka dapat priorities, humanap muna ako ng toilet para makapoops. So when you have this perspective, parang gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko. Syempre yung poops hindi. Pero gumagaan yung pakiramdam ko, hindi ako nagpapanik. And eventually, I was able to arrive at my destination. Yeah, 5 minutes late, but forgivable. I was able to sort out my password. And most important, nakapoops ako. So ano yung lesson? I think yung lesson is, every time we go through specific challenges, lalo na yung sabay-sabay, at saka yung talagang sunod-sunod, yes, we may not be in control, but the reality is, God is in control. Kahit may mga bagay tayong hindi natin magawa ng paraan, we just surrender everything to God and He will take care of the rest. Yes, madaling mag-worry, pero ano magagawa ng pag-worry? Nothing. So, might as well just surrender everything to God and let God handle our worries and concern. Yun lang.